Okay. Go, labas ka na. Inom ka ng kape. Inom ng kape.
So, we are here in our Airbnb in Tagaytay, Crosswinds. Yung Airbnb na to, open na siya since 2024. Pero ngayon lang namin siya napabless.
So, pupunta ka lang sa access. Ayan. Tapos, ayan. Ito yung binibigay natin, di ba? Alahin natin.
Disable.
Disable. Pera.
We've had this property in the family for a long time now. Ngayon lang din namin siya naisipan na gawing Airbnb. Our Airbnb is named Bahay Pino. Although Crosswinds is Swiss-inspired, pero yung loob ng bahay, we wanted it very warm and Filipino pa rin. Yung pinaka long-term talaga namin dito is we want the decorations to be upcycled and DIY'd. Or I'm looking forward to those projects. For now, okay na yan. Yung asawa ko actually yung nag-lead ng renovations, design, and everything. I helped with the 3D model of this house to visualize what we wanted to get done in the place. Yung goal kasi talaga namin dito is to make the most of what we already have. Dahil nga business siya, as much as possible, minimize namin yung puhunan. Kaya ako nasabi na minimal lang yung mga ginawa namin dito kasi di kami talaga masyadong bumili ng maraming bagay. Ito yung before ng living room. Very plain lang siya. And yung mga furniture dyan, mostly galing din yan sa office ng mother-in-law ko. Pero since retired na siya ngayon, wala na rin mapaglagyan ng mga to. Ang inad lang namin dito is yung display shelf sa ibabaw ng couch. And dahil nga gusto rin namin, karamihan ng decoration dito moving forward is upcycled or crafted by us. Maganda rin sana i-display dyan yung mga future paintings na magagawa ng asawa ko or ng guests namin since we have a paint and stay package. Blanket yan sa bahay namin. Ang pinaka-function kasi niyan, kasi kapag nagmo-moist or umiinit, dumidikit yung pintura ng wall dun sa leather. Para maiwasan nyo, linalagyan na lang namin ng throw blanket. Hindi pa ako ganun ka-happy sa kanya kasi hindi siya terno-terno, pero okay lang kasi for now nga, we're trying to minimize our expenses. This is actually across the living room. So, in a way, medyo living area pa rin to. Same floor. May mga random na kabayo dyan. Maganda naman yung decoration itself. Pero it's just, hindi niya naman match yung vibe. Wood, very warm yung furniture. Tapos biglang may, golden horse, carousel. Parang, that's too whimsical. May natambak na rocking chair dyan. But for the next room, we revolved the design around this rocking chair. Ang pinaka-idea talaga namin dito is an indoor porch. And then we kind of combined it with the function of a reading nook. Kaya kami nag-add ng mga shelves. Yung wall na yun is maging functional siya as a reading nook. At the same time, maging display shelves din siya. Ni isang decoration dyan, wala kaming binili. Next is yung coffee nook. Pina-customize ng mother-in-law ko na furniture, especially for that space. Para maging coffee nook siya, we thought that we had to add additional shelves para may patungan or sabitan ng mga mugs. Very functional palagi yung approach namin when it comes to designing the space. Okay, fine. May mga iba dito na binili na namin. Yung word na coffee. Pati yung plant sa gilid niya. Kasi kinulang na kami ng fake plants eh. Pero the rest, yung manual grinder, teapots. For some reason, siguro as a true tita, yung mother-in-law ko, napakadami niyang teapots sa bahay. So, lahat tinambak namin dyan. And very vintage yung itsura. So, I think it really added to the vibe. Tapos, pinalagyan namin ng LED lights dun sa pinakataas na shelf para magkaroon siya ng sariling lighting dyan. Yung mga garapon na organizers, binili na namin yan sa Wilcon. Flex ko dito is yung jar na lalagyan ng stirrer. Galing lang sa bahay namin yan. Pinagyayabang ko talaga yung mga hindi namin nabili. Kasi doon ako na-fulfill. Kapag alam kong binili namin somewhere, parang, ayan, binili namin sa Wilcon. Hindi ko alam ba't ako ganun. Anyway, sa third floor, all we have is these 2 bedrooms. So, ito yung master's bedroom. Napaglumaan na ng bed to, natinambak dyan, ako bilang a very stingy person. For me, may functioning bed, di naman siya sira. Luma lang. Wood siya na legs, pero yung frame niya, metal. It doesn't really match the woody vibe. Okay na yan. Kasi gusto ko na pagkakitaan yung space. Pero sige, ano sila, hindi, palitan natin or what. We were trying to canvas queen-size beds in Wilcon or HMR. Talagang ang presyo niya, mga 15K na ang pinakamura. Tapos yung mga nagugustuhan naming designs, mga 27K. Sakit sa loob for me, bumili ng ganun. So naghanap ako ng pre-loved bed sa Carousel. Found this super perfect bed. Kasi you know why it's perfect? Kasi yung headboard niya matches exactly the dining chairs that my mother-in-law had customized for this house. Nabili namin siya ng 9,000. Na-amaze lang kasi ako sa thought din na basura na siya para sa isang person. For another person, shit, sobrang kailangan ko nito. Anyway, going back, so nakita ko nga tong perfect na kama, kaya parang nakita ko, oh my gosh, pwede na natin to. So we did. Pero anong nangyari? So sobrang nagandahan sila. Nagpa-customize sila ng exactly the same na bed for the other room. Parang ako kasi naisip ko, pag nabila na natin to ng queen size bed, ilipat na lang natin to, yung lumang bed sa other room. Defeats the purpose, no? But I have to admit, ang satisfying din talagang bumili ng gamit, lalo na kapag alam mo kung gaano siya ka-match dun sa space. So parang, okay, I'm gonna give it to you. So, yung attic namin, ito yung 4th floor. Okay, may sarili siyang living room dyan. People rarely use that as a living room. Dahil ginagawa rin naman talaga siyang sleeping space. Tinodo na namin talagang sleeping space. So, it can now accommodate 6 people. And then, if you notice, dyan namin linagay yung mga kabayo. We kind of put all the kid or whimsical themed decorations here. Kapag bunk beds, parang lakas makabata kasi. And I thought it worked really well with the color na napili namin as the wall accent. So, yung husband ko, siya talaga yung nag-isip ng mga accent na yan. Ako kasi very minimalist. It wasn't a matter of aesthetics for me. It was a matter of function. I'm not a colorful person. Napapa-overthink ako or napaparalyze ako kapag may pink tsaka orange. Parang, hindi ba mukhang stabilo yun? Pag neutral lang kasi parang mas modular lang siya for me na just, even if you throw everything on, maganda pa rin siyang tignan. Ganon. In short, ayoko mag-isip. Pero siya yung type ng person na, alam mo yung malinis na laptop, biglang lalagyan na ng sticker. Yan, ako kung nakita niyo yung, ito, yan yung laptop niya. And I think we balance each other out very well when it comes to these kinds of projects. Yung favorite ko dito sa place na to is the scene outside.
Na lumilipas.
I don't want to sing.
Peace muna. Peace muna, Dad.
Well, dati kasi yung Crosswinds, wala siyang establishment sa loob. Like, it's a private village. Now, meron ng mga Andersons, Windmill Lausanne, restaurants sa loob. Like, Dear Joe. These are all accessible to the public, pero with a fee. Matagal na naming dream ng husband ko magkaroon ng inn or some sort of recreational space like a studio where people can paint or where people can meditate, yoga, ganyan. Definitely, I'm happy that this is finally happening in the form of an Airbnb. Kami rin naman magdidictate what kind of space we can hold for our guests. Ang hirap mag-business. kahit gano'n ka-interested and ka-passionate about something, it's still always gonna be hard. There's no surprise there. We all know that. Pero sometimes kasi kapag nandun ka na talaga sa road less taken, you realize why it's less taken. As a homemaker, sobrang challenged ako dito. What I want to really focus on right now is our storage rooms. Sobrang gulo niya. Kasi we have people who clean up the home, like caretakers. It's not even their fault. Hindi lang intuitive talaga yun the way I organized it the first time. So, nagulo lang siya ulit. So, I'm finding a way to make it very foolproof. Titingnan ko pa lang siya. I still don't have an idea how to do that, but I will make it work. I think it's just a matter of really putting a home for each category of things inside. We'll see.